Stick around because today I'm going to break down 14 must know idioms that will make you sound like a native speaker in no time. Let's jump right in. Number one is to pull someone's leg, to joke or tease someone in a playful way. Like, for example, relax, I'm just pulling your leg. Hey, don't worry, I was just pulling your leg about the test being cancelled. You can use this idiom when you're not serious or you are making a joke. Native speakers use when they say something silly or unbelievable. Number two is break the ice. To start a conversation in a social setting to make people feel more comfortable. Like, for example, he told a funny story to break the ice at the team meeting. At the party, I played a game to break the ice with strangers. Number three is let the cat out of the bag to reveal a secret accidentally. Like, for example, she let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Don't let the cat out of the bag. I haven't told anybody yet. Number four is get cold feet. To suddenly become too nervous to do something, especially before a big event. Like, for example, he got cold feet right before the wedding. I wanted to apply for this job, but I got cold feet at the last second. Number five is get the hang of something. To learn to do something, especially when it's difficult at first. Like, for example, it took a while, but finally I got the hang of driving a manual car. You will get the hang of cooking if you keep practicing. Number six is blow off steam. To release built up energy or emotion by doing something active or relaxing. Like, for example, I go for a jog every evening to blow off steam after work. She needed to blow off steam after that stressful meeting. Number seven is up in the air, something that is undecided or uncertain. Like, for example, our vacation plans are still up in the air. The project's future is up in the air until we get funding. Number eight is to go the extra mile, to make more effort than is expected. Like, for example, she always goes the extra mile to help her clients. He went the extra mile and made handmade gifts for everyone. Number nine is back to square one, to start something again from the beginning after a failure or interruption. Like, for example, we lost the files, so we are back to square one. The app didn't work, so the developers went back to square one. Number 10 is to do something by book, to follow the rules or procedures exactly as they are supposed to be done. Like, for example, she does everything by the book at her job. If you want to avoid trouble, do it by the book. Number 11 is cut to the chase, to come to the point without wasting time. I will cut to the chase. We need to improve our sales. Number 12 is face the music, to accept the consequences of your actions. He failed the test and had to face the music. She lied to her boss and now she has to face the music. Is to be in hot water, to be in trouble, especially with authority or rules. Like, for example, he is in hot water for missing the deadline again. She found herself in hot water after breaking the rules. Number 14 is read between the lines, to understand something that is not directly said. Like, for example, she didn't say that she was upset, but I read between the lines. If you read between the lines, you will see he's not happy with the deal. Which idiom you like most? Tell me in the comments and use it in a sentence. See you in the next video.